Hello, my friends. Welcome back to HH Beauty Garden. It's so lovely to have you here today. If you enjoy gardening tips and simple, natural ways to grow beautiful flowers, I invite you to subscribe to the channel or leave me a comment to share your own experiences. Today, I'm going to show you a very easy method to propagate roses at home. Only 3 steps, and your rose cuttings will grow strong, healthy roots 100% of the time. No complicated tools and no expensive products. Just a few things you already have in your kitchen. Let's begin. Step 1. Prepare the cutting. First, choose a healthy rose branch. It can be from a florist or from your own garden. Cut a branch about 12 centimeters long. Remove all the leaves so the cutting doesn't lose too much water. Now take 1 clove of garlic. Crush it gently and rub it on the bottom of the branch. Garlic is a natural protector. It fights bacteria and fungi and keeps your cutting from rotting while it is growing roots. Step 2. Make the root boosting soak. We'll prepare a simple mixture that will help the roots grow faster and stronger. You will need 1 purple onion, peeled and sliced thinly. The peel of 1 potato, chopped into small pieces. One tablespoon of white rice. About 300 milliliters of clean water. Onion helps protect the cutting and encourages new cells to grow. Potato peel contains starch, potassium, and natural enzymes, a gentle food for young roots. Rice is full of vitamins and minerals that feed the plant. Put all the ingredients into a clean cup. Stir well and soak your rose cutting for about 10 minutes. This allows the goodness from the mixture to go deep into the branch. Step 3. Plant and protect the cutting. For the best results, we will use clean sieved sand as the growing medium. Sand drains well and keeps the roots breathing easily. Pour the soaked mixture through a sieve to remove the solids. Lightly moisten the sand with the filtered water. Now insert the rose cutting into the sand so that about half of it is buried. The top part should stay above the surface for the new shoots to grow. Cover the cup with a clear plastic bag and secure it with tape or a rubber band. This creates a mini greenhouse, keeping the air inside moist and warm. Place the cup in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight. Then, simply wait. What happens next, after 5 days? You will start to see changes. New green shoots will appear, and white roots will begin to grow at the base. These roots will be thick, healthy, and full of life. When your cutting has a nice root system, prepare a small pot with drainage holes. Fill it with coconut fiber. It holds moisture, allows air to circulate, and protects against fungus. Gently move your young rose plant into the pot. With a little care, in just a few more weeks, you will see the first buds forming. That's it, my friends. 3 simple steps, and you have a brand new rose plant grown by your own hands. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe to HH Beauty Garden for more gentle, natural gardening tips. See you in the next video.